Jai Gurudev students. Today in class 8th we will start a new lesson of geography, lesson 8, and the name of the lesson is human resources. The main points which we are going to study in this lesson human resources is population of a place, means how much is the population of the place, and then we will also study about the factors affecting the density of the population, means what are the main factors which affects, reduces or increases the population of that particular area. Then we will also study how this population changes takes place. We have different natural resources around us and in the world, and these natural resources are used by the human beings. But supposing if there are no human beings present, who uses these resources? हम human beings ही use करते हैं resources को. अगर human beings ही नहीं होंगे तो what is the use of these resources? If there are no human beings to use the resources, then these resources are of waste. They are of no use. So we can consider human beings as resources. So we can tell that human being itself are resources, and the skilled man with different qualities is the best resources, is the best human resources. So I think you got the meaning of the lesson human resources. Now the main points are population of a place, means how the population of a place changes. Then we will study about the density of the population. Density of the population of a particular place and even area. Then we will also study how this population changes. How this population changes, because of what factors. Now we will see what is the population of a place in detail. Distribution of number of resources, like these resources, they are not evenly distributed anywhere or in any particular area or particular place. So same way, even the population is not evenly distributed. हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि पॉपुलेशन हर जगह बिल्कुल सेम है. अगर वहां पे 50% है तो यहाँ पर भी 50% ही है, नहीं, we cannot tell. In some places the population is very dense. Dense means बहुत ज्यादा. In some places it is scanty. Scanty means बहुत कम. And then the same thing is density of the population. And why does this population changes? These population changes because of the factors. We can tell that 60% of the world population lives in just 10 countries. 10 country में ही 60% of the population है, who are living, and rest 40% are distributed all over the world, are scattered. You can tell, we cannot tell distributed, we can tell scattered all over the world. Now we will see the natural factors. Means factors means why factors means we can tell this why how the population of a place changes, because of what? Because of the natural factors. Natural means nature, जो अपने आप होते हैं, nobody can change. First one is climate. First one is climate. the population of a particular place changes because of the climate. All people, you and me and everybody. Everybody thinks that we should have all comforts, all facilities, with everything. Even the climate there should be bearable. Bearable means जो climate में हम लोग रहना चाहते हैं, that is, it should be suitable to us. Where it is very, very, very hot, people don't live. Where it is very, very, very cold, then even those places people avoid. हम avoid करते हैं कि ऐसी places में हम ना रहें. We all people like to live in the place where the climate is suitable to us. जहाँ climate अच्छा होता है, बहुत, it is not very severe of any seasons. कहाँ कोई भी season में बहुत severe नहीं होता. It is moderate, means it is okay. So people like to live in such climate. So because of this climate also population changes. Then we will see the topography. Because of the topography also the population of that particular places changes. That means in densely forest area or in very mountainous areas people don't like to live, and in this topography the lands or the plains are there, and these lowlands and plains have all facilities where the water is available, seasons are very good, climate is very good, so people here they like to live, so it is densely populated. I think you understood the meaning. Topography means lowlands or plains with all facilities. Then resources, even because of these resources population affects, means where there are resources available easily, water, main water, good climate, good surroundings, and main people want where where the crops grow easily and we get all things easily. That is the place where we can tell that we have all resources. So these are the three places, or these are the three factors which every human being needs, and where there are all these three people, it is densely populated.